Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of stuck on loading on the application of Remitly app. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will go down until you find this window of Remitly app and you will click here. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about Remitly app. Then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next